Welcome to this complete Hong Kong China travel guide, where the city's skylines meet natural landscapes. Let's start with Victoria Peak, the highest point in Hong Kong. Imagine standing on the precipice of this towering peak, surrounded by an all-encompassing panorama that sweeps across the iconic city skyline, the glistening harbour and the rolling green hills. It's a sight that's sure to leave you breathless. Now picture yourself aboard the Peak Tram, one of the world's oldest funicular railways. As you ascend the steep inclines, the city unfolds before you, a blend of modern architecture and natural beauty. You might even feel like you're defying gravity. It's not just a ride, it's a journey through the history and evolution of this vibrant city. So when you're in Hong Kong, make sure to put Victoria Peak on your list. Victoria Peak offers a perspective of Hong Kong that's second to none, truly a peak experience. From the heights of Victoria Peak, we sail across Victoria Harbour on the Star Ferry. This iconic vessel, a true testament to Hong Kong's rich maritime history, has been gracing the waters since the late 19th century, providing a vital link between Kowloon and Hong Kong Island. The journey is a brief but scenic one, offering stunning views of the towering skyline that juxtapose the old-world charm of the ferry itself. As the waves gently lap against the ferry's hull, the cityscape unfolds before your eyes, a canvas of architectural marvels and natural beauty. The Star Ferry ride is not just a mode of transportation, but an experience, a chance to witness the city from a unique perspective. The sight of the sun dipping below the horizon, painting the sky in hues of crimson and gold, is truly a spectacle to behold. A voyage on the Star Ferry is like sailing through time and beauty. From the bustling harbour, we ascend to serenity at the Tiantan Buddha. A towering figure of peace and enlightenment, the Big Buddha, as it's affectionately known, commands attention and respect. Perched atop the verdant hills of Lantau Island, this majestic statue is not just a spiritual beacon, but also a testament to remarkable craftsmanship. The journey to the Buddha is an adventure itself, involving a climb of 268 steps. Each step you ascend brings you closer to this imposing figure, while offering a panoramic view of the surrounding landscapes. Nestled nearby is the Polin Monastery, a place of profound tranquility and spirituality. Here, the air is scented with incense, and the soul is soothed by the resonating chants of Buddhist monks. Tiantan Buddha, a solemn testament to tranquility amidst Hong Kong's dynamic vibe. An experience that leaves you feeling humbled, enlightened, and perhaps a little out of breath. From serenity, we dive into enchantment at Hong Kong Disneyland, a place where the magic of Disney meets the unique cultural allure of Hong Kong. Here, 7 lands brimming with fun, fantasy, and adventure await. In Adventureland, journey to a tropical jungle where Tarzan calls home, or set sail on a whimsical raft ride at Grizzly Gulch. Over at Tomorrowland, immerse yourself in a futuristic world with thrilling rides like the Iron Man experience. And let's not forget Fantasyland, where our beloved Disney classics come to life. Meander down Main Street, USA, a nostalgic tribute to Walt Disney's hometown before finding yourself in Toy Story Land, a vibrant tribute to childhood imagination. And for Star Wars fans, a visit to Tomorrowland is a must, with an entire area dedicated to this iconic franchise. Each corner of this park is a ticket to a new adventure, a new story, a new memory. Hong Kong Disneyland, where dreams become reality. From the enchantment of Disneyland, we stroll along the glamorous Avenue of Stars. This glittering promenade pays homage to Hong Kong's illustrious film industry, celebrating the talented individuals who've graced the silver screen and left an indelible mark. The avenue is more than just a star-studded walkway, it also offers some of the most stunning harbour views in the city. As we wander, the sparkling water creates a breathtaking backdrop, enhancing the glamour and allure of the locale. And let's not forget the iconic Bruce Lee statue, a must-see for any visitor. This life-size bronze figure embodies the spirit of Hong Kong cinema, a testament to the city's love for martial arts films. It stands as a powerful reminder of the impact one man can have on an entire industry. The Avenue of Stars, a walk through Hong Kong's cinematic legacy. From the stars of cinema, we delve into the vibrant chaos of the Temple Street night market. As dusk settles, the street transforms into a bustling bazaar brimming with life and energy. It's a treasure trove of trinkets and souvenirs where vendors hawk everything from jade jewelry and antique watches to kitschy knickknacks and kitschy electronics. But the real allure of Temple Street isn't just in the wares on display. It's the tantalizing aroma of street food that wafts through the air, promising a gastronomic adventure. The sizzle of fresh seafood on the grill, the comforting warmth of a bowl of noodles, and the sweet tang of exotic fruits create an irresistible symphony of flavors. And amidst the vibrant stalls and tantalizing food, you'll find impromptu Cantonese opera performances and the intriguing spectacle of fortune tellers ready to reveal your destiny. Temple Street Night Market, a sensory explosion that captures the essence of Hong Kong. From the bustling streets, we soar above the city on the Gongping 360 cable car. This isn't just a journey, it's an experience, an aerial escape from the urban hustle to the serene nature of Lantau Island. As we glide over the South China Sea and the rolling green mountains, Hong Kong's stunning landscape unfolds beneath us in a breathtaking panorama. Feel the rush of air as we ascend, the city shrinking into a beautiful mosaic of skyscrapers, waterways and hills. We're heading towards the Big Buddha and Po Lin Monastery, both iconic landmarks that add a spiritual dimension to our adventure. On this voyage, we're not just passengers, but explorers, discovering Hong Kong from a unique perspective. The cable car ride is a thrilling transition, a chance to see the city from high above and then to touch down, immersed in the island's tranquility. Gongping 360, a thrilling ride that elevates your Hong Kong experience. From the thrilling heights, we delve into the past at the Hong Kong Museum of History. This remarkable institution is a treasure trove of comprehensive exhibits, each one meticulously curated to reveal the rich tapestry that is Hong Kong's past. The museum offers a journey through time, from prehistoric eras to the modern metropolis we know today. Each exhibit is a testament to the city's resilience and evolution, revealing a story that is as diverse and dynamic as the city itself. The cultural insights offered here are unparalleled. The museum showcases the city's unique blend of East meets West, a fusion of traditions, histories, and identities that have shaped Hong Kong into the cosmopolitan hub it is today. From ancient artifacts to immersive dioramas, the museum presents a vivid panorama of Hong Kong's history. It's a fascinating exploration that invites you to step back in time and witness the transformation of this incredible city. Hong Kong Museum of History, a journey through time that enriches your understanding of this city. From the annals of history, we step into the spiritual realm at Man Mo Temple. One of the oldest and most renowned temples in Hong Kong, Man Mo Temple is a testament to the city's rich cultural heritage. Nestled amongst towering skyscrapers, this sacred sanctuary provides a stark contrast to the city's ultra-modern facade. The temple's interior is a sight to behold. Imagine a space filled with large, hanging incense coils, their fragrant smoke wafting through the air, creating an atmosphere of tranquility and reverence. These coils are often lit by devotees as offerings to the gods, their slow burn a symbol of prayers continuously being sent to the heavens. Here, two deities are worshipped: Man, the god of literature, and Mo, the god of martial arts. These gods symbolize the traditional values of wisdom, integrity, and courage, deeply ingrained in the Chinese culture. Man Mo Temple, a tranquil oasis amidst the city's hustle and bustle. From ancient spirituality, we end our journey with a modern spectacle, the Symphony of Lights show. This stunning display is a symphony not just of light, but of music and architecture, choreographed to create a dazzling spectacle that celebrates the energy, spirit, and diversity of Hong Kong. Imagine a canvas of night sky painted with myriad hues from lasers, searchlights, and LED screens, all dancing in harmony to the rhythm of synchronized music. It's like the buildings themselves are performing, their gleaming facades transformed into performers on a grand stage. But the Symphony of Lights is more than just a light show. It's a testament to Hong Kong's vibrant cityscape, with the beautiful skyline serving as an awe-inspiring backdrop. This spectacle is a nightly reminder of the city's pulsating energy, its ceaseless innovation, and its status as a nexus of cultures. The Symphony of Lights show, a fitting finale to our Hong Kong adventure where the city's vibrancy truly shines.